LeadsLeap, your ultimate tool for online success in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, or small business owner, LeadsLeap is designed to help you succeed. Here's why LeadsLeap is a must-have tool in 2025. Free human traffic, no bots here, just real visitors engaging with your website. Unlimited autoresponder, manage up to 10 lists with no limits on subscribers, for free. Professional page builder, create stunning pages with hosting included, no tech skills required. Powerful pop-up creator, easily capture leads with customizable pop-ups. Advanced link tracker, analyze performance with 199 trackers and 10 rotators. Multiple income streams, earn through 5 simple and beginner-friendly ways. Here's the kicker, most platforms charge you hundreds of dollars every month for these features. But with LeadsLeap, you get all of this for free. No hidden fees. No monthly bills. Just pure value. Lightbulb, that's the LeadsLeap advantage. What truly sets LeadsLeap apart is its simplicity and effectiveness. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, it's the only tool you'll ever need to generate traffic, capture leads, and make money online. Don't wait. Take your online business to the next level with LeadsLeap today. It's fast, it's free, and it's incredibly powerful. Click the link below to sign up now and start your journey to success. This is your moment. Join LeadsLeap and see how easy it is to grow your business and earn money online. Don't forget to subscribe to avsdigizone for more.